Hi friends, important banking exam questions and answer series started for the people appearing for the any bank exam, people are attending the interviews, bank interviews, or people are working banking projects. These videos are useful. If you have any clarification or doubts, please send me a message so that I'll clarify all your doubts. Question number 101. What is SEBI? Securities Exchange Board of India. It monitors and regulates the securities market and protects the interest of the investors by enforcing certain rules and regulations. Question number 102. What is the Reserve Bank of India launched on its website for facilitating its grievances redressal process? Complaint Management System CMS. It is a software application launched by the RBI for lodging complaints against any regulated entity with public interest interfaces such as commercial bank, urban cooperative banks and non-banking financial companies. Question number 103. Which country has become the first Arab country to be grant full membership of the Financial Action Task Force? Saudi Arabia. It was established in 1989 with headquarters in Paris, France. Question number 104. What is the last date to obtain legal entity identifier for entities with net worth above 10,000 million? The due date is 31st December 2019. Legal Entity Identifier (LEI) proposed by the G20. LEI is a unique electronic 20-digit standard identifier used to identify the legal entity that participates in financial transaction around the world. Question number 105. As per Moody's rating, the current local and foreign currency issuer rating for the India economy is BAA3. Moody's rating agency upgraded local and foreign currency issuer rating to BAA2 from BAA3 for Indian economy. Question number 106. Section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act 1961 is related to which category? Answer is startups tax holiday eligibility. The tax holiday for small startups providing deduction for 100% of the income of an eligible startup for 3 years out of 7 years from its incorporation. Question 107. As per the latest circular on priority sector lending, what is the sanction limit for classified of export credit under priority sector lending? It is 40 crores. Enhance the sanction limit for classification of export credit under PSL from 250 million per borrower to 400 million per borrower. Question number 108. What is the maximum duration time for the completion of resolution process for corporate allowed under Insolvency and Bankrupt Code? 330 days. Question number 109. HDFC and Common Service Centers launched which among the following for village level enterprises? Small business money back credit card. The credit card has been launched for small traders, village level entrepreneurs and sourced customers. Question number 110. Which of the following entities are eligible to issue differential voting rate shares? Tech companies making intensive in the use of technology. Question number 111. As per RBI's latest circular, what is the age limit for retired staff engaged as contract auditors? 70 years. Question number 112. The tenure of external concurrent auditors with a bank shall not be more than how many years on the continuous basis? 5. As per large exposure framework of Reserve Bank of India, what is the exposure limit on lending to a single NBFC? 20% of Tier 1 capital. Bank exposure to a single NBFC, excluding gold loan companies, will be restructured to 20% of that bank's eligible capital base. Question number 114. Which document has been made mandatory under GST to be linked during registration of taxpayers? Answer is Aadhaar. The council has decided to link Aadhaar with the registration of taxpayers under GST and is in the process to make Aadhaar number mandatory for claiming refunds. Question number 115. Recently, the government has allowed corporate social responsibility spending on which activities for corporate companies? Research and development activities. Question number 116. Which bank has been recently put under the Prompt Corrective Action Framework by RBI? Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Due to high bad loans and insufficient capital, RBI has put the Tamil Nadu based Lakshmi Vilas Bank under Prompt Corrective Action Framework. Question number 117. Who is the head of the advisory board for banking frauds constituted by the Central Vigilance Commission to examine bank frauds? T.M. Bhasin. Question number 118. As per RBI, what percentage of total accounts were covered by deposit insurance by end of March 2019? 92% depositors covered under DICGC. Question number 119. The newly launched scheme PM ASME stands for Pradhan Mantri Assured and Safe Motherhood Initiative. Question number 120. The National Pension Scheme for the traders and self-employed persons is applicable to the age group 18 to 40 years. NPS setup is voluntary and free pension scheme which is provided for minimum assured pension of 3000 monthly on the subscribers attains the age of 60 years. The beneficiary should be within the age group of 18 to 40 years. Question number 121. Recently, RBI has fined 11 banks for non-compliance with its direction of fraud classification and reporting by commercial banks. RBI has fined an aggregate penalty of rupees 8.5 crores on 11 banks for non-compliance of RBI's directions. Question number 122. When first payment and settlement services vision announced by the Reserve Bank of India? 2001. The first payment and settlement system vision announced by the Reserve Bank of India 2001 and successive vision statement every 3 years later made sure that payment and settlement system receives focus attention. Question number 123. What is meant by CCIL, Clearing Corporation of India Limited? The Clearing Corporation of India Limited was set up in April 2001 to provide guaranteed clearing and settlement functions for the transaction in money, GSEC, foreign exchange, derivative markets. Question number 124. What is meant by NPCI? National Payments Corporation of India, Retail Payments Organization. Question number 125. What is meant by CPMI? Committee on Payments and Market Infrastructures. Defines payment system transaction to include the total transactions undertaken by all payment systems in the country. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.